What's up, guys? Welcome to the local band Smokeout. I'm BG.
I'm Chris.
Today we are, as you can see, in the dungeon again doing another shooting, but we have a cool band we just had on Dirty Radio. They're called Rain Brings Weather out of the high desert, California. Facebook.com/rainbringsweather10, the number 10 on the end of the Facebook link. But yeah, we actually forgot our blunts, forgot our joints. Didn't forget the bowl, didn't forget the wax pen though, so we're going to work with what we got.
We got this big old jar of weed right here too. I don't know.
Yeah, we might have to try some of that in a little bit. Yeah, I saw these guys live recently. They opened up for $20 profits, but this band's really cool. They're fucking crazy live, for sure. Absolute madness. They were like spinning around on the floor. All kinds of crazy shit while they're playing. Look at you over there. Are you just gonna eat the nug like that?
Yeah, might as well.
Damn! Alright.
You wanna try it?
Yeah,
It's
I'll take
pretty
a
pretty
little.
good. After if you eat some weed.
What flavor of weed is this?
Some OG. That's all it says.
Yeah, I've been enjoying weed wrong my whole life apparently.
I know, right?
Yeah. Anyway, sponsors: Royal Blends, Surf House, Effortless Ones, Cold Cock Whiskey, of course, Dirty Radio,
Tap Chelada. Cali Care Group.
Cali Care Group. They provide the meds. Sorry, I'm enjoying this OG nug. Boost, aka Integra Products, and I'm forgetting somebody, but we didn't bring the lifts either for that. But yeah, let's dive right in. Rain Brings Weather. Song's called BBM. Facebook.com/rainbringsweather10, and let's give it a try. Spark it up if you got it.
Well, it's been a long time. Finally, I found my way. So forget about those yesterdays, what I used to be. Oh, it's been a long ride, and finally I found my place. Now you can leave me anywhere, leave me anyways. Just don't leave me with me. Now we've been driving all over town, just trying to calm me down, but that calming, it ain't calming anymore. Now that we've been running around everywhere, and I just hope to God I find you there, where those cravings, they don't faze me anymore. Oh, it's been a long night. Finally, I'm giving up. Yeah, finally, enough's enough. I'm no good on my own. I'm no good on my own. Oh, it's been a long time. And finally, I found my way. Now you could leave me anywhere. Leave me anyways. Just don't leave me alone. Now we've been driving all over town, just trying to calm me down, but that calming, it ain't calming anymore. Now that we've been running around everywhere, and I just hope to God you find me there, where those cravings, they don't faze me anymore. Oh, it's been a far cry. Finally, I'm cleaning out all these dirty things that keep me down. good on my own. It's been a long time. And finally I found my place. Now you could leave me anyways. Leave me anyways. Just don't leave me at all. Now we've been running all over town, just trying to calm me down. But that calming, it ain't coming anymore. Now that we've been running around everywhere, and I just hope to God you find me there, where those cravings, they don't faze me anymore. Now that those cravings, they don't faze me anymore. Now that those cravings, they don't faze me anymore. Now that those cravings, they don't faze me anymore.
All right. Rain Brings Weather with a song called BBM from the high desert of California. Facebook.com/rainbringsweather10. What'd you think, Carlos?
I liked it a lot, actually. Like, I was talking to him during the song. I was just like, this sounds so familiar to me, like certain band, but I couldn't put my finger on the name, but like I said, I liked it. It's some kind of like I said, it reminded me of something that like I like. So you know, it was really good. I'll probably give it like a 7.5.
Cool. I believe I gave him a 8.5 the other day. So between the two of us, that gives it an 8. But yeah, they kind of have like they're kind of hard to like put in a category too. Like not you want to, but if you listen to like a couple of their songs, they're fairly different from each other. But a little 3 Doors great, 3 Doors Down ish. But Dewey the singer kind of looks like Kurt Cobain with longer hair. But those guys are really cool. They're really cool people. Stoners, and they rock.
Really good.
Really good live show.
Really good song to smoke to.
Man. So yeah, give those guys a like. Tell them we sent you. Facebook.com/rainbringsweather10. Of course, you guys can be on the show. Whether you have 420 product, you're in a band, you're a DJ. Facebook.com/localband Smokeout. We're on Instagram and Master Roots also.
Yep. Also on Twitter at localbandsmoke.
Yep.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Absolutely. Yeah. And yeah, other than that, keep blazing. We're here in the dungeon. Cheers.
Have a good one.